topic of our discussion would be Mocha. So Mocha is a testing framework which we use with Node.js, or we can say that we write test cases for unit testing in our Node.js application. So what I have done over here is I've just created a test app and just I have run one command npm init. So this is just like the basic commands. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to create a folder like as Mocha example, and in that folder I will create a file Mocha example Mocha example dot js. So this is going to be our main file. So what I am going to do over here is I'm just going to create a module dot exports dot add, and I'm going to say this is going to be a function which is going to take two arguments x and y, and it is going to return x plus y. This is a very simple example. So I have used module.exports.add because I want to use this file in my another application. So let's start by installing Mocha. So right now as you can see that I am in my test app. So for installing Mocha I am going to run the command npm install mocha. I am going to use a particular version 3.0, and I am going to say save dev, since this is not required to be run on the production server. So as soon as I hit my command, you will see that node modules pack folder would be added and Mocha is added over here. So now moving forward, let me create a test file. So our test file would be something like mocha example dot test dot js. In this file what I am going to do is I am going to use the it that is it to create a test case which is provided by Mocha. So Mocha is based on behavior driven development. So should be sum of numbers. I'm going to say that this is the string or the name of the test case. After that I am going to pass a function in this, and I need to call that Mocha example file. So what I will do is I will create a variable mocha example is equal to require as, and since like this is in my local directory, so I will say dot slash Mocha example. So now I should be able to use Mocha example. So let's take a result variable and assign it Mocha example dot add. I'm going to pass two values over here, 2 and 3. So After passing this, what I am going to do is, if result is equal to 2 plus 3 is 5, so if the result is 5, or let's rather say it in this way, if the result is not equal to 5, then I am going to say console.log, or let's use the backtick methods. Result should be 5, but it is. So here I am using template variables, res, right? So let's say if the result is not equal to 5, then I want to make sure that I am returning it from here, and also I want to print out that test case passed over here. So what I am trying to do over here is, if the response from this Mocha example is not equal to 5, then I am going to return this value console.log. Result should be 5, but it is not the particular result, or else I will be printing that test case pass. So one more thing we need to take care of is, like, we need to go in package.json and we need to make some adjustment in our application, like we need to pass some parameters. So if I see over here, it is mocha example.test.js, but let's say that I have got multiple folders, then what would be the best practice is, like, mocha example dot, or rather let's say test.js. So what this is going to do is, this is going to find all the values inside the particular folder, and it will be executing test.js files for those particular folder. So now let's try it in our console to run this application. So what I can do is node, so I have got this mocha example forward slash, or rather than what we can say npm test. So this is going to run this script. So if we run this script, then we are able to see that our one test case is passing. So this is a very simple example to show you how the Mocha framework works, or how we can create a simple test case in Mocha. Going forward, I would be giving more sessions on this, so stay tuned and please don't forget to subscribe.